Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about editing of Microsoft Office files. Let's go back into folder A. Let's upload some Microsoft Office files. So I'll pick a Word document and an Excel sheet here. So let's open the Excel sheet. Now you can see this is loading up in something called Only Office. So this is a preview of the Excel sheet here. And right now this is version 1.0. So if you have edit access to this particular file, which means that either you're a collaborator or a manager or a contributor who's working on his own file, you will see this option, Edit in Only Office. If you're a consumer or a viewer, you will not see this option. So let's click on Edit in Only Office. This opens a new browser tab and the file opens for editing. So the Only Office interface is very similar to the Microsoft Office interface that we're all very familiar with. The spreadsheet is opened here, and you can do normal actions on this like you would in Microsoft Excel. So let's, for example, select a few cells here. Let's maybe make them bold. Let's change some text here from disk to, let's call it description to enter. We don't need to press save because these documents are automatically saved. While this is open, if you go back to the original tab and refresh the page, it says the document is locked by you. Because I've opened it here, it shows it's locked. And you can see that the changes have started reflecting. So I come back here and I close this tab. And I wait a few seconds. And I hit refresh. It's still locked. It takes a few seconds to unlock. And now it is unlocked. Now you can see that the version is increased to 1.1 and the changes are reflecting over. Right? Now let's go back to folder A. Now let's go into the Word document that we just uploaded. Again, previews in Only Office. Let's click Edit in Only Office. So once again, the interface looks very familiar. It looks similar to Microsoft Word. Let's make a few changes. Let's maybe delete certain things. Let's change a few colors. And similarly, if you come back here and refresh, you'll see that the document is locked and the changes will be reflected here. Let's go back, shut this tab, and while we wait for this to unlock, let's try and also do the same for a PowerPoint file. So let's find the PowerPoint file. It's a PowerPoint presentation. Let's open that. And again, you see the familiar only Office interface loaded. And again, you see the edit and only Office action. You click that. And it opens up here in a familiar interface that looks similar to MS Office. So again, let's make some changes. Let's maybe delete this, change this to let's close the file. This is still being edited. Let's go back to this Word doc that we edited earlier. And we can see this is at version 1.1. And the changes that we've made have been reflected. Now going back into the PowerPoint. Same thing, it's version 1.1. And the changes that we made are being reflected here. So this editing in only Office works with Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.